Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera test. Today in this video, I am going to camera test Motorola Edge 50 Pro after 8 months. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 13 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with a 50 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and this is a 4K video sample, and as you can see that the video quality is not bad. At the price point the video quality is excellent. By the way, this smartphone long time for review coming this week. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, don't miss this video. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness pretty good. And this smartphone give you pretty much natural picture. Now let's talk about the portrait picture. Especially I like this smartphone portrait picture. This one comes with a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. So as you can see that I am also get a excellent portrait on this smartphone. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys this smartphone portrait picture? So what about the night photography? The night photography is decent, not pretty much good. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a pretty much good photo with this smartphone. So overall this smartphone camera quality is decent. So I hope you guys get a pretty much good idea this smartphone camera quality after 8 months. Okay, that pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.